Hello, my name is Matheus and this is my snake game project. So as you can see, right now I'm in the starting state, so the game is waiting for me to press a button. So when I press a button, as you can see now we are in the running state. So you can see the snake moving and I'm using the joypad to control the direction. And the food is generated randomly, but I implemented logic to ensure it never spawns inside the snake's body or outside the screen edges. So this makes the game easier. And also the only way to lose or to active the game over state is self collision. So it's like the difficult, it's like easy because the only way to lose the game is hit yourself. But also, I implemented a wrap around feature. So, as you can see, when I hit a wall, I appear on the other side. So it's like a teleportation. It's pretty cool. Um, so finally, I would try to hit myself to show the game over state. So I will cut the video. Okay, so let's go try to show the game over state. So my snake's bigger now. I think I just need one more foot to be easy to active the game over state. So let's try to hit this foot. Okay, now I believe I can active the game over. So as you can see, I just need to hit myself. No, it's hard. I think I need one more. Yeah, now I believe I can active the game over state. So let's go. One more. Yeah, right now, perfect. Let's try. Here we go. So when I active the game over state, I will draw like a X on the. Hello, my name is Matheus, and this is my code for the snake game project. So for the snake game project, I'm using a strictly object-oriented approach. I created two abstract base classes, the input and the display. This ensures a clear separation between the input game logic and the output, which also remembers about the MVC design pattern, module view controller, and this is like good practice. Moving to the implementation, I created the classes for the hardware, the OLED display, that's here, and one for the joypad input, that's here. So also I created a backup classes, that's the serial input and the serial display, that's here. So in case the hardwares are having troubles or issues or connection is not working, I can using the backup classes and I can control the snake using the serial monitor, or I can display the game in the serial monitor. So before my joypad was not working, so I was controlling the snake in the OLED display. That's my hardware. Using the serial monitor, so I could just send the commands AASC, and I was controlling my snake. So this is it's a good way to avoid some bugs or some issues. And moving to the Arduino file, that's the main file. Here I'm creating the states for the game, starting, running, and game over. And here I'm initialization, the points, the snake key, the speed, the direction, the food, and moving to the init function, my setup function. So here in the setup function, the code is scanning the I2C bus. So it automatically detects if the OLED or the display or the joypad are connected. So if they are found, it loads the hardware drivers. So if you are found, it loads the hard drivers. If it's not found, it defaults to the serial version. So serial display and the serial input. So also moving to the loop function. So I'm controlling the state chain using a switch statement. So I have some cases. I have the case starting, I have the case running, and I have the case game over. That these ones are my enums. So I'm controlling the state game using enums, and it's pretty useful. So basically, it's that. So here I'm in the starting. I'm drawing, and the running is where my game is running. I'm playing the game, so I have here uh, the logic for the game. And in my game over, the only way to lose the game here is the self collision. I removed the wall collision because it was pretty hard to play. So I'm just using self collision to be the only way to have a game over. So here I have my game over state. So this is my code.